Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make quick coffee at home. We'll cover everything you need to brew a delicious cup in minutes, perfect for busy mornings. You'll learn about essential tools, efficient brewing methods, and simple tips to elevate your daily coffee experience. Get ready to transform your kitchen into your favorite coffee shop, saving both time and money. Let's dive in and make your coffee routine effortless and enjoyable. To make quick coffee, a few key tools are essential. An electric kettle heats water to the ideal temperature, around 205 degrees Fahrenheit, in just a couple of minutes. A good burr grinder ensures fresh, consistent grounds, which is crucial for flavor. For brewing, consider an AeroPress or a French press. Both are fast and effective. Finally, a digital scale helps you measure coffee and water precisely for a consistently great cup every time. Now let's talk about speed. The AeroPress is fantastic, brewing a rich, concentrated shot in about 1 minute. Just add hot water, stir, and press. For a slightly larger batch, a French press takes around 4 minutes of steeping. If you're truly pressed for time, instant coffee is ready in mere seconds. Another great option is to prepare cold brew concentrate ahead of time. Simply dilute it with water or milk for an instant, refreshing drink. To truly elevate your quick home coffee, always start with freshly roasted beans. Grinding them right before brewing unlocks their full aroma and flavor potential. Pay attention to water temperature. Between 195 and 205 degrees Fahrenheit is ideal for extraction. Finally, regularly cleaning your brewing equipment is crucial. Residue can impart off flavors, so keep everything sparkling clean for the best tasting coffee every single time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.